Hello everyone and welcome back to another insightful video. In today's video, we will dive into the crucial realm of crypto security to protect ourselves from potential hacking and phishing threats. As the crypto markets continue to grow, distinguishing between scams and legitimate operations is paramount for the safety and success for your investments. When investing in crypto, one of the initial steps is to verify the security of websites you interact with. Always ensure that the website URL begins with HTTPS instead of HTTP. This small but significant detail indicates encrypted communications, adding an extra layer of security to your online interactions and safeguarding sensitive information from your potential threats. A vital aspect of screening genuine crypto projects from scams is the examination of the white papers. Authentic projects present well-structured, detailed white papers that outline the vision and plans. Be careful of fake projects with poorly written or missing white papers, as well as those lacking essential details on fund usage. Grammatical errors and misspelling in materials can serve as red flags. Legitimate projects often clearly identify their developers in those documents. Pay attention to the marketing strategies employed by crypto projects. Excessive focus on fundraising rather than showcasing new technology may indicate a potential scam. Be cautious of projects with disproportionate or suspicious marketing tactics. Legitimate projects prioritize technological innovation over aggressive fundraising. Difficulty in identifying developers on GitHub or encountering vague explanations about the currency or organization should raise concerns. Scammers often pose as business leaders or partners attempting to deceive potential investors. Understanding these common scams tactics is crucial for safeguarding your investments. In the realm of secure crypto investments, platforms like dxsale play a pivotal role. dxsale is a secure platform designed to simplify token management for developers. It facilitates the creation and oversight of tokens, ensuring a secure and legitimate token experience. Notably, tokens on dxsale undergo stringent KYC and audit process, providing an additional layer of assurance for investors. To summarize, navigating the cryptocurrency space demands caution and proactive approach. Always verify the security of websites, verify white paper for authenticity, and stay vigilant against red flags in marketing strategies. Platforms like dxsale exemplify the commitment to secure token management through rigorous KYC and audit processes. By staying informed and implementing these measures, you can significantly minimize the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.